WAEC Further Maths question 2. Find the equation of the normal to the curve y equal to 3x squared plus 2 at point 1, 5. Good. Looking at this, we are going to see that this is a quadratic function. So now we can always first find the slope of the tangent. And there is a relationship between slope of tangent and slope of normal, because a tangent is a line that touch a curve at one point. Let's say this is the quadratic curve. It may be like this. It may form a U shape, but looking at this is going to form a U shape simply because the value of the coefficient of x squared is positive. So now a tangent is any line that touches the curve at one point. So solving on line like this is more than me just showing my skill solving question. You need to understand concepts. Even if I want to use shortcuts or rush everything, I still need to explain certain concepts to you. That's why you have to calm yourself. So now we draw this. So to explain what tangent is, this is a tangent. Then a normal will be any line that touches, that is perpendicular to the tangent at a particular point. Now we want to find, this is the equation that we want to find. We want to find the equation of normal. Good. There is a relationship between this and this because the slope of tangent and slope of normal are perpendicular. Normal and tangent are perpendicular to each other. Definitely their slope, the product of their slope will give me -1. That means m1 times m2 will give me -1. So you have to take note of this concept. Now let's first find the slope of tangent by differentiating this function with respect to y. So y equal to 3x squared plus 2. By differentiating this, we get the slope of tangent. So that means dy dx will be equal to that's 6x plus 0. So because if you differentiate 3x squared, you get 6x. Differentiating constant, you get 0. Good. From here, now there is a point given. The point is 1, 5. At the point 1, 5, that means dy dx will be equal to, anywhere I see y, I'll put 5. Anywhere I see x, I'll put 1. So there is no y in the expression. So we have 6 bracket 1, which will give me 6. That means the slope of tangent equal to 6. Now, that means m1 can be taken as 6. How do we now get m2? Because m1 times m2 is equal to -1. That means m2 will give me -1 all over m1. Definitely from here, that means m2 will be equal to -1 over 6. This is the slope of my normal. So from here, I can easily get the equation by using this. Y minus y1 equal to m bracket x minus x1. Now, this equation that I wrote on the board is the equation of a straight line, gradient, and 1-point form. Now, the point over here will be the given point from the question, which is 1, 5. And the slope m that we are using here is the slope of the normal, which is equal to -1 over 6. Substituting these two inside the formula, I have 1 minus y minus 5 equal to m, which is -1 over 6 bracket x minus 1. Good. Let's cross multiply to clear the fraction. That will give me 6y minus 6 times 5. That's 30 equal to, use this. That means we have -1 remaining here because we have cross multiplied. -1. Oh yeah, use this -1 to open the bracket. You have 6y minus 30 equal to -x plus 1. At the end of the day, I can move everything to one side. So that means I will have 6y plus x minus 1 minus 30. So that will be equal to 0. That means at the end of the day, I am going to have 6y plus x minus 31 equal to 0. That's the equation of my tangent. That's option B. Thank you.